Okay, yeah, I know I haven't put anything cool online for a while. I've been pretty busy, so that's why I haven't been online really doing much. Bunch of doctor's visits, guy my age, we tend to get problems. Anyway, I picked this up, right? It's really cool. The Victorinox, right? Let's open it together. Let me see if I can even see that puppy. All right. I have never had one of these like this before, to tell you the truth about it. It's a little dinky thing, ain't that cute? For my keychain. Check it out. Both of them come up same time, eh? Cut yourself on that little puppy. Okay. Got a fingernail clipper over there, or file. Itty bitty knife. Close that. And over here, look at that. I thought that was cute. Generally, I go with the bigger Swiss Army knives. You know, these things are really great to have on your desk. You never know when you're going to need them. Yeah, when you want a big knife, nothing beats this thing. These things are going for $100 now. These things like this, right? That crazy? That's a damn Bidenomics, or whatever you want to call it. Something like this. This is cool because it locks open, and it's not too big. A lot of times when I'm outside working in the garden and on the land, I'll carry this one. But I never had one for my keychain, and I figured, well, let me grab one of those. Can't remember. I think it was like $35, something like that. Anyhow, I just figured I'd throw something on there. It's got something written on the back, even with my glasses. Let me see. Anybody can read that, let me know, because I sure can't. It just says, wait. Wait, I got a perfect thing here. Wasn't worth the trouble. It just says Victorinox. All right, guys, God bless. I'll be putting some more stuff up directly. Something really interesting in the next few days, probably a week or so. Still got some more doctor's appointments to go to, stuff like that. All right, God bless everybody. Bye-bye.